Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have a Yamaha 450 Grizzly. I'm going to go in here and show you what's going on here. I have a battery. I have the solenoid right down in there. The battery is 7 years old. It's still got 12 to 13 volts showing. But I'm going to show you what's going on here. And I'm pretty sure the battery is the problem. So stick around and let's get into it. Now I can turn the key on and hit the starter button. You hear that? It tried to start, but now I'm getting a click. So you would think that that would be the solenoid. Okay, as you can see, listen. Okay, that's what it's doing. But it'll start every now and then. I'm thinking that the battery's not powerful enough to keep that solenoid locked in. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery first. It's more expensive than a solenoid, but that's usually what it does on a car when the battery's bad. Right now I'm going to remove this plate right here and I'm going to swap out the battery. These bolts right here are 10 millimeter. Should be able to just lift this off. Now I'm going to go ahead and unhook these wires. It is also a 10 millimeter or a Phillips head screwdriver. Now I got to get these wires out of the way, and also got a place right here for my battery charger, which comes in handy. Okay, I'm going to remove this and get it out of my way so I can get these wires out so I can pull that battery out. Now I can just take these and take this one and move it out of the way. This one here got a plastic clamp on it. Now I should be able to lift the battery out. I may go ahead and put the screws back in here, make it easier to lift. Now let me see if I can pull it on out of there. Just grab it and lift it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the voltage reads on this battery. It has 12.59 volts, but I think the cranking amps is pretty much gone because this battery is 7 years old. Here's the new battery. It's all wrapped up. I'll get this unsealed and put it in. I'm going to drop it down in here, make sure the positive is on the far side. The battery fits right down in there. The YTX 20 pound. So now I'm going to go ahead and hook these up. But now I'm going to go ahead and put this cover right here back on. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the brace back across through here. New battery's back in there. Now let's see what happens when I hit the starter. So that seems to have fixed the issue. So the cranking amps on the old battery was gone, even though it showed 12.5 something volts. One more time. So the battery was the issue. So before you go and change the solenoid, check your battery voltage, check the age of your battery. Chances are it could be your battery. Although the solenoid is a whole lot cheaper than a battery. I hope this helps. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel and it don't cost anything. Share with friends. Thanks for watching.